Hello, my name's Daniel here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Range Rover Autobiography. It comes finished in the colour Belgravia green. It features the 3-litre petrol plug-in hybrid with the 38.2kWh battery. It's a sleek and beautiful looking vehicle. It sits very nicely on 22-inch alloy wheels. It comes with the digital LED headlights which light up the road nicely. Taking a look inside, you have the breathtaking leather interior. It features the electric adjustment with memory presets, allowing your rear passengers to travel in the utmost comfort. Up front you have your multifunction steering wheel. Moving up top, there's the panoramic sunroof that allows sunlight to flood into the interior and is perfect for those sunny days. With your front seats, you've got plenty of adjustment to keep you comfortable behind the wheel. To the left of your steering wheel, there's controls for adjusting the infotainment system, and to the right you have your adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for motorway journeys. Your display here in the instrument cluster has access to a range of different information and can be customized with different layouts. You can show your navigation on the system, access your media, trip information, four-wheel drive and a driver assist display. There's even your digital speedometer, your fuel and battery percentage. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. It's home to features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even DAB radio. You also have access to built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. There's also your standard Bluetooth telephone connectivity. The touchscreen is also home to your 4-zone automatic climate control. It comes with heated and climate cooling front seats to keep you comfortable no matter the weather. There's also access to your driving features with your hybrid modes and driving modes. There's a 360 camera and parking sensors, which makes parking much easier. In the center console is your automatic gear selector, along with your start engine stop switch. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this brand new Range Rover Autobiography. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team.